Okay, good day everyone. You are welcome to today's class. In this very class, where we're going to be working on the topic how to cut a basic sleeve. Okay, for you to cut a basic sleeve, remember you also have to be working with your what? Basic bodice. That is, like, since I've finished cutting my basic blouse, do you understand? So I'm going to be working with this. Something people don't know is that whenever you are cutting a sleeve, cut a sleeve for a particular cloth. There's nothing like a universal sleeve. Do you understand? Whenever you cut a cloth, use the cloth to cut the sleeve. Okay, so we will be cutting a basic sleeve for this very blouse here. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is what? Fold your fabric. So for you to fold your fabric, we'll be folding considering the what? Armhole length. See what I'm trying to say? Look at it. Since the sleeve is going to be fixed here, so we'll also be making use of the figures here. Look at it. From here to here is what? 7 inches. So that is our what? Armhole length. So that is what we'll be folding with. We'll be folding with what? Armhole length. So all you have to do is what? Measure out your armhole length. That is 7 inches. Please add extra 2 inches. These 2 inches you are seeing here is fixed. Please, it doesn't matter whatever blouse you are, whatever sleeve you are cutting. Just after marking your what? Armhole length, mark extra 2 inches allowance. It is fixed, please. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is what? Fold your fabric. Okay, now we folded our fabric. Next thing you need to do is what? The same armhole length. Mark out the armhole length, which is what? 7 inches. Add your extra what? 2 inches, just like what we did before folding. Okay, so now you finish marking it out. Next thing you need to do is what? Mark out your what? Armhole base. Now what is armhole base? Look at it now. This is the armhole length. Now armhole base is the distance from here to here. Look at it. You measure it out on the clothes, on the dress you are making. Look at it now. Now what we have here is what? 3 inches. So that 3 inches, look at it. At this very part, just mark out what? 3 inches. Look at it. Mark it out. 3 inches. Now you finish marking it out now. All you need to do is what? Curve it like this. Now you are done with this. Next thing you need to do is what? Impute the what? Sleeve length. Now the sleeve length is 8 inches. So from here, measure out your 8 inches. Add your extra 2 inches allowance. Okay, now we have this very point. Next thing you need to do is use your rule and the rule like this. Okay, now you've gotten this very point. Next thing you need to input is the what? Round sleeve. The round sleeve, which is 13 divided by 2. In this case, we are dividing by 2. Note this. 13 divided by 2 is what? 6.5. Now 6.5 plus either 1 inch or 1.5 inch. Now mark out this very point. So the final and last step is what? The second to the last step is what? Join this point to this point. Okay, while the final step is just cut out your sleeve. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to cut a sleeve. Okay, so this is the sleeve for this very blouse. This is the sleeve for this very blouse. As you can see, it's just exactly the same thing. You know, if you use this method to cut a sleeve, whenever you are fixing it, everywhere must be equal. This one is not the one that the sleeve will be longer than the armhole, or the armhole will be wider than the sleeve. In this very case, it will all be what? Equal. The sleeve is going to be equal to the what? Armhole. Okay, now, but don't forget, while cutting our dress, we applied what we call the what? Armhole effect. So in this very case, you're also going to apply the armhole effect. Remember what I said, armhole effect is only applied at the front part, not at the back part. So in this very case, find out your front part of the sleeve. All you need to do is to what? Apply the armhole effect. Now to apply the armhole effect, is more like from this very middle part, step down with what? Half inch. When you step down with half inch, now from here, connect it like this. Are you seeing it? Connect it like this. So after you finish connecting it, all you need to do is what? Cut it out. Only this particular one, the front part, please cut it out. Okay, now make sure you notch your center part. Now look at it. This is the armhole effect. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question concerning this very sleeve, don't fail to comment on the comment section below, and also make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.